Well, hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. The last episode, we actually installed the pedal box, so that is now done. So I'm bouncing around since we're missing some parts. I've got the rear differential all done, so we're actually going to get that into place. So follow along on this episode, and please hit subscribe if you want to see more. But today we will get that differential installed up in there and off of the floor in the house. Okay, and I'll show you pictures of it since I don't think I showed it all painted, put together. But yeah, follow along. Thanks. Here we've got our IRS differential kit. And by the way, I do save these bags because then when I have to save parts, I just kind of hold on to those things. So this is our IRS differential install kit that came from Factory 5 in the bag. So if you see the manual here, we got to put some bushings in here with some of these. It's going to be these ones here. So we'll need a mallet and we'll beat these in. These look like they go with the front of the center section of the mat with a 2048. And you can see the number right here, 2048. So we'll get a mallet and we'll just tap these on in and throw in our piece into there. So then we're ready to get this thing up in there. I don't know if you could see that or not. That bar right here might have been in the way, but so we got this side done. We'll go to the other side and then we'll get the back ones done. At that point, we can figure out how we're gonna get this differential in here. We're gonna tape off a lot of things though, some rags, to prevent scratching this or our pretty differential. That is one tight fit. I gotta admit, when they put this thing together, there's not a whole lot of space for anything else. So then we'll slide that in. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm putting some, because this is the nose of that thing is going to want to slide right up into here. So I'm going to tape these rags down because you got to come up at an angle. And this will keep everything from getting all destroyed. And then I'll probably put some tape and rags around the differential. There we go. Okay. And then we'll come up. The nose will come up into here. Back will come up that way. Pick up our bolts and roll. And the whole time I'm doing that, I'm actually going to have come along. Oh, I got some tape up here. I'm going to have some come along or some ratchet straps that will keep tightening up just in case, you know, this thing wants to fall off the jack. Okay, so here we got our differential. As you can see, it's a good looking differential. So we'll pull this off this way. I don't worry about damaging that. Not a difficult job, but you got to be smart about it, or you can drop something, or you can really hurt yourself. So I'm going to get someone to help jack this up, hold the nose. There's not much weight on that. I can tilt it back, leave it on the jack, slide this up, then continue jacking it up as it sits on that towel. Time for differential install. So my daughter's gonna work the jack. I'm gonna sit up underneath here and get this nose up underneath. So, okay, start jacking it up. Hold on. I think I'm off. Do you want me to come down? No. Okay. Keep coming up. Okay, right there. Hold on for a second here. Oh, she thinks she's sliding around on that damn thing. Okay, keep coming up. Okay, hold on. I can't get the damn. Okay, keep coming up. Okay, hold on. Okay, see, pull the back jack towards just towards the back, just a little bit. There you go. Okay. Okay, keep coming. Yep. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. There we go, right there. Okay. Oh. Ay, ay, ay. Ah. Okay, so we're getting there. We're making progress. Okay. Okay, jack it up. Keep coming, keep coming. Okay, hold on 1 second. Okay, keep coming. Keep coming, right there. Perfect. Okay, grab this. Almost there. Okay, so we got one bolt started. Oh, the other bolt. Almost there. Okay, jack it up just a little bit.
Good.
A little bit more. Perfect. Let's see if that works. Okay. Hold on.
Yeah.
Let me see if that'll. There you go. Let it down quick now.
All the way?
Yeah, all the way. Okay, people. We've got the differential in. As you can see it looks awesome in here. Pretty. Not a scratch in it. So my daughter helped out. Appreciate it. Now let's see if we can get some of these bolts in and get this thing wrapped up. Looks good. Okay, so we've got all the bolts in now, at least started. Front are all the way in there, and I don't have the nuts on the back. These ones are actually started, so now I can just torque these up, get the front torqued up. I'll put a witness mark on them to make sure they don't turn. And we're looking pretty good. So I won't show you the torquing. That's nothing exciting, but we'll get these things torqued up, which will draw this in that way. Differential towards the rear up against this gap here, if you can see. You should be able to see that gap right into there. That'll pull this back, and then the sleeves fill in the gap back there and tighten up that way. Yeah, it doesn't look right, but that's the way it has to be, and it works. I mean, it's bulletproof. These rear ends are pretty stout in here. So now I'm just trying to get the nut on here, and I actually drove the bolt in. Live and learn. This is why I'm doing this video. If you drive the bolt in too far, you can't get the damn nut on. So I gotta kind of back this thing off a little bit. There we go. Then I'm gonna start. Okay, so now we got the other nut on. These are the lock nuts too, so once these things go on, they do not come off. They're oblong, or I don't know what the exact term is for those nuts, but they're not coming off. So we got to where it's at that stage. Now I got to find a wrench for that. I'll probably get a bigger wrench for this. Torque these first, then we'll torque those. Then we look at the manual, find out the torque specs, and it's looking good. Okay, so looked in the manual. Torque specs are 100 feet-pounds on all the bolts. So that's we got our wrench set at. That was easy. Okay, 100 feet-pounds there. This other one's gonna be more of a pain. Just because I gotta hold the nut on the back with a wrench. So I gotta find a wrench that'll fit that one in there. So you can see it now, it's almost touching. There we go, now it's touching. Okay, so now the torque wrench on that. 100 feet-pounds. Now I'm gonna stand up so I get a little more leverage on this thing and not kill myself. Do this. Okay, and that's it. So there it is in all its glory. I think it looks pretty good in white and black. I like it. Just gotta get the rest of it going now. Well, that was a fun episode, huh? I got it in. My daughter helped run the jack. I did the rest by myself. So as you can see, we got the differential in now. It's looking great. So I appreciate you tuning in to another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. If you like to see more, please hit subscribe. And also check out my other channel at Barbecue Travel Adventures if you're into barbecue and travel. So thanks again, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next episode. Thank you.